Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about solution of trigonometric equation. So in this video I'm going to show how to solve cos bracket 2x plus 30 degree bracket equals to 0.5 for the range negative 180 degree until 180 degree. So step number 1, we're going to observe the equation. So given cos bracket 2x plus 30 degree equals to 0.5. So for this case, cos is positive. So for cos positive, we have 4 quadrants. So to be able to cos become positive, we are going to pick the quadrant 1 and the quadrant 4, which is a theta as a basic angle. Second step, we're going to determine the basic angle. So given cos bracket 2x plus 30 degree equals to 0.5. So with the help of the calculator, actually the basic angle is 2x plus 30 degree, which is equals to 60 degree as a basic angle. Next, we are going to deal with the range. Given by the question, negative 180 degree until 180 degree. So by referring to the basic angle, we have 2x plus 30 degree. So at first, we are going to multiply with 2. So we will have negative 360 because multiply with 2. And we will have 2x and then we have 360 degree after we multiply with 2. Next, we are going to add on 30 degree. So we will have negative 360 plus with 30 degree. Okay, so in the middle we will have 2x plus 30 degree. And finally we have 360 degree plus 30 degree. So finally, the range would be negative 330 until 390 degree for the range. Next, we are going to focus number 4, the rotation. So given the basic angle is 60 in the first and the fourth quadrant. So where we will have as a theta 60. Here we have another theta which is 60. Okay. Next we are going to refer the step number 3, which is the range. Okay. So based on the range, where is the location of negative 330? So based on the situation, we have negative 330 over here. Okay. So why this one become negative 330? Because as usual, this is a 0. So if we follow the anti-clockwise, we will have positive rotation. So if it's a clockwise, the situation will be negative. So from this part, if you move until this part, it will be negative 90. Okay, negative 90. If you keep on moving, here will be negative 180. If until this part, we will have negative 270. Okay, so if until this part, we will have negative 300. And if we keep continue moving until this part, we will have negative 330. So meaning that this will be the starting point. So we will follow the situation, which is a anti-clockwise until this part where it is a 0. So now the situation is negative 330. So we have our starting point over here. Okay, then anti-clockwise until this part we have 0. Then we are going to stop at 390. So we will keep on moving until this part. So where it is a 90, until this part where it is a 180. Okay, keep on moving. We have 270. Until this part we have 300. And then we have 360. And then finally we have 390. So that will be the rotation. So now we are going to find the intersection point between the blue color and the green color. So this will be the point of intersection. This will be the point of intersection. This will be the point of intersection. And this one will be the last point of intersection. So finally we have 4 angles. So now we are going to follow the rotation. Begins with this point, which is negative 330, and there is no intersection between the blue color line. Next, this one will be the intersection. So what is the location of the intersection? So the answer would be 2x plus 30 is equals to negative 300. So next we are going to proceed. So there is no intersection. There is no intersection until this point. Okay, until this point. So the situation will be negative 60. Why negative 60? Because this is a 0. So if we follow the clockwise, it will be negative 60. Okay, so next we are going to proceed from this part, moving until this part. So here will be the location of 0. Next we will keep on moving. So we will have another intersection point over here. So what is the location? So as we all know, this is the basic angle. So the rotation will be 60. Next we are going to proceed. So we have 90, 180, 270. Here we have the last intersection, which is equals to 300. So we will keep going. Until this part we will have 360. Until this part we have 390. So we only find the situation for the intersection of the purple colors and the blue color line. So which will be this part as a 300, this part as a negative 60, this part as a negative 300, and this part as a 60 degree. So finally refers to number 5. We have the solution. So now we are going to find the value of x. So the situation would be 2x, okay, equals to negative 300 minus 30 degree. Negative 60 minus 30 as well. 60 minus 30 as well. 300 minus 30 as well. So we will have 2x is equals to negative 330, negative 90, 30, and 270. And then finally we need to divide by 2. So we will have x will be equals to negative 165. Negative 90 divided by 2, we will have negative 45. 30 divided by 2, we will have 15. 270 divided by 2, and we will have 135. So here we are, and thanks for watching.